Hey everybody, Mike Franz with GigaPan here in Portland, Oregon, back for another quick tutorial. Today we are going to talk about setting the field of view on the Epic robotic camera mounts. And this is the same process for all of our Epic mounts. And anytime you change focal lengths, you will need to repeat this step. The field of view is essentially a setting that you define that allows the Epic devices to know how many images it needs to take in order to fill a panorama based upon your upper left and lower right hand corners of the image. And we're going to be using the Epic Pro today with a Rebel T1i and 100mm prime lens. But again, it's the exact same process regardless of whatever camera, lens, and Epic mount you're using. First, you want to power on your Epic device. And the first time you power it up out of the box, it's going to tell you and give you a message that before taking a panorama, you must set up your GigaPan's camera. Do you want to enter that setup now? We're going to enter that setup, set our camera's field of view. It'll tell you to set your camera's zoom. Again, we're using a 100mm prime lens, so there's really nothing for us to set. But if you are using a multifocal length lens, you want to set it at your desired focal length. Leave it there for the entire process. So our zoom is set. And now it's going to ask us to align the horizon with the top of the camera screen. Let me power up our T1 here real quick. Switch it to live view. You can use the viewfinder, you can use live view, whatever you prefer. I like to use live view. Now, aligning the horizon with the top of the camera screen, we're going to go ahead and use the top of these Epic Pro boxes here, this top one, for our horizon line. And what we'll do is we will line that up with the top of those boxes, press OK, and that reference point is set. Now what it's going to ask us to do is align the horizon with the bottom of the camera screen. Again, what we'll do is raise that camera up now so that that same reference point is lined up in the bottom of live view. What I do want to make clear here is that it doesn't necessarily have to be a horizon. It can be this top of this boxes. It can be any specific reference point. You just need to make sure that it starts first at the top of the screen and then ends up at the very bottom of the screen to set that reference point so that you have a correct field of view. You've got that set now. We've got it at the bottom. It shows us a field of view in degrees. We press OK and our field of view is set. It's that simple. You're all ready to go and take your first GigaPan. Thanks for watching, and check out more of our tutorial videos on our website and our YouTube channel.